Mate 10 Lite comes with an aluminum unibody construction, which had been the most prevalent option among mid-rangers ever since plastic was relegated to only the cheapest tier of smartphones. It wears the metal well, feeling incredibly solid in the hand, and the front is covered by one continuous sheet of glass that's only interrupted by the small earpiece grill. While it may be starting to look a little bit dated in today's world filled with glass-backed flagship devices, the design is well executed, and the LED flash being placed inside the top antenna band helps make the Mate 10 Lite stand out a bit in a sea of very similarly looking competitors. The fingerprint scanner is in a perfect position, but the dual rear camera island protrudes quite a bit and won't allow the phone to sit flat on a table when you place it on its back. Unless you slap a case on it, because then it all levels out. The only problem with the Mate 10 Lite's design has to do with handling, and specifically the fact that it's a bit top-heavy. This is by no means an issue that's only found on this device. The top-of-the-line Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is even worse in this regard. Combined with how slippery the Mate 10 Lite's sides are, thanks to the rounded aluminum used, this top heaviness might make for some awkward handling. You can grab it from further up, of course, but then it will be quite a hassle to reach the navigation keys without adjusting your grip. The 18:9 aspect ratio of the screen makes the Mate 10 Lite look very modern, even if it still has top and bottom bezels, the latter so spacious that it even fits the Huawei logo with some room to spare. Huawei bundles a transparent case in the box with the Mate 10 Lite, and that helps to make you feel better about the times you eventually drop the phone, but it also does away with the slippery feel since you aren't touching the smooth aluminum anymore.